Hi everyone, welcome back to my next video. I have got some really great news for you today. Prime Days on Amazon. And Bluetti has my favorite power station, the power station that I have and highly, highly recommend to nearly all nomads, is on sale. It's the Elite 200 V2, kind of weird name, but it really is elite because it's the best of the best. And its retail price is $1,700. And on a really good sale, you can get it for $1,000. And on these Prime Day sales on Amazon, they're on sale. That is an incredibly excellent price for a 2,078 watt hour battery power station. And it has everything you want. The one thing and it's small. That's the key thing. Now I'm standing in front of my Subaru. So I live out of the Subaru for long periods of time, a minimum of 4 months, generally a year. And I need a lot of power. And I have a 300 watt solar panel right up here. And I need a lot of power because I'm running a YouTube channel and it just takes a lot of power to do all the things we have to do on a channel. And so I need a big battery. I also run do most all of my cooking. I'm a bachelor, an old guy, don't like doing dishes. And so I do most of my cooking in my microwave. I mean, I use my microwave twice a day, almost every single day. So I need good power. And the Bluetti Elite 200 provides it for me. So here is the Bluetti V2. One of the most astounding things about this is it's so incredibly quiet. You think it would be noisy and the fan would be on all the time. I think I've heard the fan on this thing once. My head is not 2 feet from it at night when I sleep. It is incredibly quiet. I don't know how they did that. And it's tiny. I mean, this is the footwell of a Subaru. And Subarus aren't big rigs. This is a tiny space. So this is my AC, and I've got a power strip in back, and everything in back gets plugged into it, and I just control it all with the AC. This is the 300 watt solar panel on the roof. It's just a standard XT60. It's just plugged in and running all the time. In Alaska, that's generally plenty. And then I got 2 USB-Cs and 2 USB-As. My fridge is plugged in. I've never been below 70. I think I've seen it 73 once. I'm real careful. When I know it's going to be bad weather for a long time, I really draw less power. My word to you is, and my word to myself and to all of my friends is, don't even consider anything else but this. This is the machine to buy. It's tiny, it's quiet, it works perfectly, it has everything you need for a 2,078 watt hour power station. It's fantastic. I love this thing, and I want to communicate that to you, that I think this is a supremely good choice. There's nothing about this that I don't like, not a single zero thing. How they made it so small, and it's just everything about it's perfect, is you cannot attach another battery to it. And let me tell you my thoughts on adding a second battery. A second battery is going to cost you $1,000 and going to be the same size battery as this. Why not just buy another one of these? If you want 2 batteries, buy 2 of these and it's only $1,400. You can't buy anything cheaper. And if anything ever fails on this, you've got a backup. So to my mind, if you think you need more than 2,000 watts, buy 2 of these watt hours of battery in the storage, buy 2 of these and you'll have almost 4,200. And wow, I mean, it'd just be fantastic. Got to have a lot of solar to feed 4,200. I don't. I only have 300 watts. This is just the perfect thing for me. So that's it. Close this video right now. Go buy one of these. If you're looking for a power station, buy one of these. See you on the next video.